Hey y'all, welcome back to DiamondTrail Ranch. Today I'm showing you one of the easiest fall and winter crops you can grow in zones 9 and 10. Arugula in a grow bag. I grew mine using nothing fancy, just compost from our horse pasture, a handful of native soil, and good old-fashioned water. This is a perfect crop for beginners, if you have small spaces, a patio, anyone wanting quick greens, okay? Arugula, here's the deal. It grows fast. I'm talking harvest ready in as little as 25 to 35 days, okay? It loves cooler weather, which makes fall and winter the ideal planting seasons here in Florida's Zone 10A. And because it grows shallow roots, a grow bag is literally perfect for it. All you need is a 5 to 10 gallon grow bag, compost. We're using compost straight from our horse pasture right over there. Okay. A little native soil to help with the microbes, water, and arugula seeds. Okay. Any variety will work. Seriously, any. Check that out. It's coming in beautifully, guys. So what we did here, we filled the grow bag with about 80% compost and 20% native soil. If your compost is really rich like ours is, see how dark it is? You don't even need fertilizer. You won't. This stuff will just prosper as is, okay? Arugula thrives in nutrient-dense soil, and compost from livestock manure is absolutely perfect for this, especially horse manure if you can get a hold of it. That's been breaking down in the pasture. Ask around, ask your communities, homestead communities, Facebook groups. What you do when you're planting arugula in these grow bags is you sprinkle your arugula seeds across the top. Don't bury them deep, okay? Lightly scratch them into the surface and give the whole bag a gentle watering. Arugula germinates fast, guys. I'm talking 2 to 4 days in warm weather, 4 to 7 days when it's cooler. It's probably been in like the mid 80s in the afternoons here, low 60s in the mornings. Your water and care for arugula is going to be keeping the soil moist but not soaked, okay? Grow bags dry out quicker than pots, but that's great for arugula because it prevents mold and root rot. If you're in Florida like us, morning watering is the best. You don't need any pesticides, no fertilizers, or any fancy sprays, okay? Arugula is low maintenance and grows incredibly well in compost. You can actually start harvesting baby leaves in about, I'd say 3 weeks, honestly. If you want your full leaves, wait about 30 days, a month, or 40 days if you want even bigger. Cut what you need and let it regrow, okay? Arugula is a cut and come again crop, so you just be able to come back to it, all right? And if you want fast greens this fall, try growing arugula in a grow bag. Seriously, it's cheap, fast, basically foolproof. I mean, that's really it, honestly. Let me know in the comments what you're planting this season. And don't forget to subscribe. We post new evergreen videos every week and daily homestead shorts.